Hey, what's going on guys? Nick here with a new Godzilla King of the Monsters news update. And this is the one that everyone has been waiting for. When exactly is trailer number 2 dropping online? And according to director Mike Dougherty, that is going to be this Sunday during their panel at Brazil Comic-Con, December 9th. So last weekend when they had Tokyo Comic-Con, they showed off a 40-second sneak peek along with a bunch of new concept art. We also got the reveal of the SH Monster Art figures of Rodan, Mothra, and King Ghidorah, showing off the full designs for all of the Titans. And many people like us thought that the trailer was going to actually drop during Tokyo Comic-Con, like the entire trailer, and when that wasn't the case, it was said that it was going to be coming at some point this week, and then recently there was some rumors that it wasn't going to drop this week after all due to the Marvel trailer frenzy that's happening this week. As you all know, we got the Captain Marvel trailer, and Avengers 4 is supposed to drop this week as well, and possibly even Spider-Man Far From Home, so many people had thought that Warner Brothers would sit this week out and launch next week with Godzilla, but that isn't the case, as the director has confirmed this Sunday the new trailer is dropping. So post your thoughts down in the comments below. What do you guys think about this news, and what do you expect to see out of this new trailer? I'm assuming that since they debuted all of the full designs for the monsters, that they're not hidden anymore. They're probably going to show off a ton of them in this new trailer, make it really action-packed and explosive, but I mean, they can go a completely different route, just go for a very terrifying, look at the film, kind of like what that 40-second teaser was. If you guys saw from Tokyo Comic-Con, it was very tense, built up the mood and the atmosphere quite well. So there's two different ways they could go with the trailer. We'll just have to wait and see what direction they go with it, but I have a feeling that we're probably going to be seeing a lot more of the kaiju in this one, since they have been officially revealed. For more updates on Godzilla King of the Monsters and everything pop culture, be sure to subscribe to HN Entertainment.